From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Monday, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver with your Monday evening CNET forecast. Pretty clear day out there today, a lot different than where we were last week at this time. It was pretty windy too. So a temperature of 43 degrees this afternoon, a few degrees above average, but almost not quite. So a little bit above average, but still close enough. But it is a lot warmer than what it has been last week, which is why it's feeling quite warm. Feels like 37 though, and that's because it is a bit breezy with the south wind of about 11 miles an hour. And you can see that the temperatures are a little bit warmer than what it actually feels like outside. About 5 degrees is between the difference between the two. 43 and 37 in State College, 44 and 36 in Du Bois, 41 and 34 in Johnstown. So a little windy out here in the ridges and valleys. But otherwise, you get towards Pittsburgh and Philadelphia, we're staying close to the 50-degree mark. In fact, 52 degrees in Philadelphia, and it also feels like a nice, warm, toasty 52 degrees. Few clouds showing up on the satellite radar, but not that much. If you get farther down towards the south and east, that's where the clouds really let up, and the sun is really shining. But like I mentioned, it is pretty windy out there. 12-mile-an-hour sustained winds in State College, 24-mile-an-hour wind in Erie, and 12-mile-an-hour in Philadelphia. And if we add the gusts on top of that, it's gusting up to 40 miles an hour up in the lakeshore in Erie. Only 15 is the gust here in State College, 23 in Pittsburgh, and only 13-mile-an-hour gusts in Philadelphia. So the farther north and west you go, the more breezier and gustier it gets. So over the next 12 hours this afternoon, we're expecting to top up around 44 degrees. Then we'll slowly dip down into the mid-30s. So actually about 5 to 10 degrees above our average low is what we're expecting for tonight. And as we go into the future throughout the day today and into tomorrow, we'll just see those few clouds hanging around. Temperatures will again drop into the 30s for tonight. Maybe a few scattered showers for tomorrow. Won't be too much, and if anything, it's going to be rain too, which is going to continue to help that snow to melt. That's going to go throughout on Wednesday. Again, just a few clouds in the sky. Temperatures might be a little bit cooler on Wednesday, but otherwise though, no precipitation is expected at all. Might actually start to clear out too, which will help those temperatures warm up, approaching 50. Might see an isolated shower then on Wednesday night into Thursday, but otherwise though, again, any precipitation that falls is going to be in the form of rain because it's going to be way too warm for snow. As we move into Friday, again, clear skies, and that will continue to be the case on Saturday, though we might see a few isolated rain showers on Saturday and Sunday. Again, nothing major for both weekend days. And then we're watching another system come in by late next week, but that is still way too far out to hone in the details on. So for tonight, expecting a low of 37 degrees, about 10 degrees above our average low, with mainly cloudy conditions, a little breezy out there too. Then tomorrow we'll up those highs to 45 degrees, about where we are today, with a few rain showers possible in the morning. And then we can see that reflected here on that 7-day forecast. Few rain showers tomorrow. Then again, mix of sun and clouds. Looks to be cloudy most of these days, though we might see a few breaks of sun, especially on Wednesday and Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Might see a few peaks of sun and on Friday. But look at that, Friday gets back to around average of 36 degrees. It's actually a little slightly below average, but our average high is in the upper 30s for this time of year. So we're above average for most of this period, except for Friday and Monday and Sunday as well. We're actually below average again on Sunday. Back to the chill again.